E-waste is a rapidly growing challenge. In 2021, 57 million metric tons were generated, outweighing the Great Wall of China. By 2030, the estimate is 74 million metric tons, and less than 20% is responsibly recycled. The rest either ends up in landfills or developing countries. Mishandled e-waste damages our environment. Plus, over 50 billion of valuable materials are trashed rather than reused. We can do better. My name is Sean Miles, the CEO of Recycle Global Exchange. We go by RGX. For nearly 2 decades, my co-founder Paul Logsdon and I have managed e-waste and ITAD. I focus on customers and Paul works with vendors. Working both sides, we identified inefficiencies. On the vendor side, it's fragmented. Less than 5% of the market is controlled by 3 companies, while the smaller local vendors are overlooked. In corporations, they work with a limited number of vendors, shipping long distances and driving right by local solutions. To solve these challenges, we created the RGX platform. It's the first end-to-end agnostic solution connecting local e-waste vendors with corporate clients. Designed to be integrated, we enhance rather than replace what is already working. RGX onboards and manages vendors. When companies onboard RGX, they can access all vendors, track projects, and documentation. RGX is gaining traction on both sides, and our environmental focus aligns with corporate ESG priorities. RGX is shaking up the industry by doing better for our environment, local economies, and business ROI.